Hello everyone, this is Kostas, and to this video I'm gonna show you how you can easily um, change the background of your public page to AzuraCast. Okay, if you have a service like this one, let's say you have this public page, and this public page it has to do with the company that provides the service, and you want to change your station image logo, and you want to change even the background. Okay, let's see how you're gonna do it. You just have to go to branding over here, edit branding to your public pages. You're gonna click edit branding. Here you can change your public page background just like that. You can click here and select something else. Let's say I'm gonna select this one, and you can select the default album art over here that you want to have. You can just select, let's say, the default logo is when there is nothing else playing, and you see just a logo. I'm gonna come, let's say, here and select this one. So now if I click Save Changes, you see that I have a new image here and a new default album art over here. If I'm gonna refresh this page, you're gonna see that I have a new background image here, and the default image when there is no image for the song, it's gonna be this one. Okay, default album art. Let's refresh. If you want, you can click Control F5 to refresh the page, and you're gonna see that even the this image is updated. So you just have your public page the way you enjoyed it. Another way I'm gonna show you right away that you can even change the background if you don't want to use this style, but this one it's the easy way. You can just upload any image if you want there. You can uh, paste over here this code that in fact it's gonna say that you want to change your background with an image from a URL. You can find, let's say, let's go to Pexels here and write radio background over here, and you're gonna see that it has a lot of free images that you can use for radio backgrounds. You can choose any one of those that you enjoy. You don't have to download and upload. You can even just right click here, select copy image link, okay, and come here and just change this part over here just with the new image. I'm gonna just paste over here, and even if you have something here, it's better not to have something here, but again, because I use this important, for sure I guess it's gonna replace it one way or the other, even if I have over there something else. Let's try again with Control F5. You see that the image behind is changed, and it's using in fact the free image from Pexels, that it was this one. Okay, that was easy, and I guess you will manage to easily change the image, the background, and the style that the default album art is gonna look over here. If in case you want to change even the color of this box inside where everything else is you're gonna just have to do this. You're gonna have to find or I'm not gonna find that way, just a moment. Okay, in fact, to change the color from the player over here, the easiest way will be again to go to the CSS of your public page and edit the the card section. Okay, the card, you can make it, let's say here I have it dark background, and I change the color of the letters to be white, so that there is a contrast. Let me show you what is gonna happen here. If I reload this page, you're gonna see that now everything is the background is dark, and all the letters are became white, so that there is a contrast and I can find anything. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you to the next one. Bye bye.